Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix macOS the operation couldn't be completed. The operation couldn't be completed. BiErrorDomain Error 3 displayed. Shutdown Mac system. Find configuration file. Configuration file path is displayed on this location. Browse to go configuration file. Open virtual machine configuration file. Add 3 lines under configuration file. Save and exit. Open VMware. Click Continue. Click Agree. Click Agree. The error is successfully fixed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.